Hello and welcome to Homegrown Veg here in the United Kingdom, where we suck lots of tea and we grow lots of vegetables in buckets, in bags and in the 3 raised beds that I have. I'm going to cut you to a very short video, a very short clip of video that I shot a number of years ago. It's already been tagged onto the back of one of my gardening videos, but there may be specific interest in this video from a viewer that's not particularly interested in gardening but more interested in wildlife, and in particular bees, because every now and again wildlife visits the garden, and if I have the camera ready I'll try and catch a short clip of video and attach it to the back end of a gardening video, just as some added interest for the viewer. And I've done that with this short clip of video, but I want to put it up now as a standalone video for those people that are more interested in nature than gardening, and particularly more interested in bees. This was something I'd never ever seen before. I've never ever seen it since, and I'm not too sure what it was I was witnessing. Check this out. If you know what's going on, come back in the comments. Let the rest of us know what's going on in my onion bed. Enjoy the video as much as I'm enjoying this too.